Welcome to Pearl Lemon SEO. Today, we're diving into how to set up PPC in Bing with insights inspired by Vick Strizheus. Don't forget to subscribe for daily videos and hit that like button if you find value in our content. First, head over to Bing Ads. Here's where your PPC journey begins. In Bing, understanding bid strategies is crucial. Choose a strategy that aligns with your goals, be it maximizing clicks or focusing on conversions. Keyword research is next. Use tools to find keywords relevant to your business. Remember, avoid negative keywords like master and focus on terms that drive traffic. Now, set up your campaign. Pay attention to details like location targeting, ad scheduling, and budget settings. Craft your ad. Make it compelling, clear, and concise. Use strong call to actions to encourage clicks. Once live, monitor your ads. Analyze data to understand what's working and make necessary adjustments. And that's how you set up PPC in Bing, inspired by Vick Strizheus. Please subscribe if you're getting value. We release videos daily. Leave a comment below if you have any questions and give us a like if this video helped you. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more SEO insights from Pearl Lemon SEO.